Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can pay for your Shopify plan with PayPal. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my dashboard, and what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to access your settings, and as you can see, the settings button is here in the bottom left. Just click on that, and once you're here, you'll get to this screen. Now, if you don't have a plan, you can go to plan and click choose plan, and once you do select one, you'll be prompted to enter a payment method, simply because, well, Shopify does need a guarantee that you're going to be paying on your next billing cycle. If you don't have enough money, it'll cancel your plan, so just don't worry about that, unless you're using your credit card, in which case you will go in debt, but that is completely not the topic of this tutorial. Now, you can select PayPal from there, or you can go into billing and add a new payment method if you already have one, or if you don't, you can just as easily use it. Just click add payment method and then select PayPal. You'll get this screen. You'll just need to click pay with PayPal, and you'll get a pop-up window which will prompt you to enter your account credentials, and then you'll need to verify it. Once you verify it, and you're most likely going to have to go to your email just as a second step to verification, so that you confirm that it is you, and so that your account is safe. Once you authorize everything and allow everything that needs to be allowed, your PayPal will be connected to your Shopify account, and whenever your next billing cycle comes through, you will be charged on your PayPal account, unless you have two different methods, in which case I'm pretty sure you need to set up which one of those is your primary one, and you can set up Shopify to be your primary one if you want. And yeah, that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.